Move to strike the last word.
Recognized for 5 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I rise to support the amendment offered by the gentleman from Michigan, Mr. Clark. I represent Columbus, Ohio, which in the past has been one of the Tier 2 cities that's received Urban Security Initiative funds, and the current version of this bill would restrict Urban Security Initiative funds to only Tier 1 cities, which would be the top 10 riskiest cities. The problem is the risks don't stop at number 10. And it's not clear that there's any significant reduction in risk between the 10th riskiest city and the 11th riskiest city. This is an arbitrary decision, and the Clark Amendment ends the arbitrary 10-city restriction and allows the Department of Homeland Security to have discretion in funding risks. It does not increase funding 1 cent. I urge adoption of the Clark Amendment, and I'd just like to make it clear that the whole point of this amendment is to remove an arbitrary restriction and give the Department of Homeland Security the ability to fund where the risks are. This amendment does not add a dime to the cost, and it just removes or increases flexibility, and it won't necessarily cost cities like New York or any other city any funds. All it does is allow cities to be eligible so that if there's real risk there and the Department of Homeland Security chooses to fund that city, then they can fund it. So it's a common sense approach. I ask my colleagues to support the Clark approach, and I yield back the balance of my time.